In a uniform electric field, the potential is 10 volt at the origin of coordinates and 8 volt at each of the points 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 minus 1. The potential at the point 1 1 1 will be. Now suppose that these are the coordinate axes. So this is our origin 0 0 0 and this is our point 1 0 0. This is our point 0 0 1, 0 0 and 1. So somewhere in Z plane 0 0 1 and 0 1 0 is like here 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, and they are asking potential at 1 1 and 1, right, this point. So first of all, let us assume they are saying that electric field is uniform. So let us assume the electric field vector is Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap, which exists in this plane. Now individually we need to solve, because we know that electric field vector will be equal to, E will be equal to minus del V by del X I cap minus del V by del Y j cap minus del V by del Z k cap. So this is for X, this is for Y, and this is for Z, and this is. So we can also rewrite this thing minus delta V by delta X I cap minus delta Vy upon delta Y j cap and minus delta Vz upon delta Z k cap for longer durations, longer distances, right? Now we know that delta V x will be V final minus V initial. So which will be 8 minus 10, because in x direction initially it was at origin, so 8 minus 10 will be minus 2. Same delta Vy will be minus 2 and same as delta Vz. So if you put the values, what do we get? Vector E will be equal to minus of 2 divided by distance will be 1. So x, so this will be I cap minus of 2 by 1 j cap and minus of 2 by 1 k cap. So this thing is actually V final minus initial, that's why it is coming negative. And it is pretty obvious that if you go into the direction of electric field, potential will drop. So this actually delta V we generally assume for V final minus initial. So obviously final is less, initial is more, that's why it is coming negative. So these many volt per meter will be the electric field. So this will be 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap volt per meter. Now they are asking potential at point 1 1 1. So this 1 1 1 vector R is, we have vector R. So this vector R will be 1 minus 0 I cap plus 1 minus 0 j cap plus 1 minus 0 k cap. So this will be I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So these many meters. Now we need potential finally at point 1 1 1. So for that, what you have to do, you need to find out the drop first, like how much drop is there from the origin and 0 0 1. So let's say drop for 0 0 0 and 1 1 1. We need to figure out, say this drop is, let's say delta V. Okay, so delta V, for delta V we need to utilize this thing, E is equal to minus dV upon dr. We know that V minus dV will be equal to E dot dr. We know that, and if you integrate it, we get the final value. Because uniform electric field is there, So you can say this will be outside, this will become E dot R on integrating. So delta V will be minus E dot R. Now we have the value of E. What is the value of E? 2I plus 2J plus 2K dot. What is the value of R? I plus J plus K. We just calculated. So if you calculate this one, you will get delta V is nothing else V final minus V initial, and V initial at origin is obviously 10. So this will become 2. This will become minus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This will be minus of 6. So finally, if you solve it, then we get V final will be equal to V initial minus 6, and V initial will be at origin 10. So 10 minus 6, 4 volts. So 4 volt will be the right answer. Highly conceptual question. So option number 2 should be the right choice.